Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all the students of class 6 here in online study of mathematics. We are studying chapter number 3, factors and multiples, and our today's topic is divisibility rules. So first property is divisibility by 2. If the unit digit of the given number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then that number is divisible by 2, otherwise the number is not divisible by 2. First number is 24. Its unit digit is 4 and 4 is divisible by 2. Therefore 24 is divisible by 2. Next number is 35. The unit digit of 35 is 5 and 5 is not divisible by 2. Therefore 35 will not be divisible by 2. So in order to check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not without actual division, so we will check its unit digit. Therefore 20 is divisible by 2, 89 is not divisible by 2, 46 is divisible by 2 and 45 is not divisible by 2. Property number 2, divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Example for 645. The sum of its digits is 6 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore 645 is also divisible by 3. What we are doing, students, here, we are not actually dividing 645 by 3. We are dividing 645 by 3 with the help of divisibility rules. We can also check whether 645 is divisible by 3 or not by simple division, like this. 645, it is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 4, 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. We can also apply the simple divisible rule to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. But we will not do it by this method because we have to apply property. If we will do direct division, then we will get 0 marks because it will be mentioned in exam that you have to follow divisibility rules. So by divisibility rule of 3, we will find the sum of the digits of the number. If the sum is divisible by 3, then that number will be divisible by 3. Next number is 644. We have find the sum of the digits, and sum is equals to 14, which is not divisible by 3. Therefore 644 is not divisible by 3. Next property, divisibility by 4. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not using properties, divisibility properties. So we will just check its last two digits. Last two digits of 1234 is 34 and 34 is not divisible by 4. Therefore 1 2 3 4 is not divisible by 4. Next example, 1 2 3 2 and its last two digits are 32 and 32 is divisible by 4. Therefore 1 2 3 2 is also divisible by 4. While we are applying these properties to check whether the number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on or not, we will use properties only. We are not divide 1, 2, 3, 2 by 4. Next property is divisibility by 5. It is very simple to understand. If the last digit of the given number is either 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Otherwise, number is not divisible by 5. Here, in first example, 1, 2, 3, 4. The unit digit is equals to 4 and 4 is not equal to 0. So, the number is not divisible by 5. In next example, 1, 2, 3, 0. The unit digit is 0 here. Therefore, it is divisible by 5. And the next example, 125. its unit digit is 5. So this number 125 is divisible by 5. Next property, divisibility by 6. Divisibility by 6, you can understand it because the factors of 6 are 2 multiplied by 3. We can write 6 as 2 multiplied by 3 because it is equal to 6. Therefore, in property of divisibility property of 6, the number should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the complete number will be divisible by 6. If any one of the property is not satisfied, then the number will not be divisible by 6. Means अगर हम किसी नंबर को चेक करना चाहते हैं कि वो 6 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा या नहीं होगा, तो हम पहले चेक करेंगे कि वो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है और 3 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है. अगर वो इन दोनों से डिविजिबल होगा तो वो 6 से भी डिविजिबल होगा. अगर वो 2 या 3 इन दोनों में से किसी भी एक नंबर से डिविजिबल नहीं होता है तो वो नंबर 6 से भी डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2484 ए पार्ट, डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2. पहले हम चेक कर रहे हैं कि वो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है. डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2, unit digit should be equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Here the unit digit is 4 and 4 is divisible by 2. Therefore 2484 is also divisible by 2. Next we will check for 3. Divisibility by 3, because sum of the digits is equals to 18. 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 is equals to 18 and 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore 2484 will also be divisible by 3. So divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3 both are satisfied. The number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore 2484 is also divisible by 6. That is the required answer. Next property is divisibility by 8. Then the number will also be divisible by 8. Means किसी भी नंबर को अगर हम ये चेक करना चाहते हैं कि वो 8 से डिवाइड होता है या नहीं होता है, तो उस नंबर की लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स 8 से डिविजिबल होनी चाहिए. अगर वो 8 से डिवाइड होने के बाद रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो वो पूरा नंबर 8 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आएगा तो वो नंबर 8 से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 29152. Here the last 3 digits of the number is 152. So we have divided 152 by 8 and we have checked it is divisible by 8 because remainder is equal to 0 here. So last 3 digits of the given number is divisible by 152. Therefore the number 29152 is also divisible by 8. Next property is divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 is almost same with that of divisibility by 3. Because in divisibility by 3 we have find the sum of the digits. If it is divisible by 3 then the number is also divisible by 3. In divisibility of 9 we will again find the sum of the digits, but because it is the property of 9, so if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9 then the number will also be divisible by 9. Example 4, 81324. Sum of the digits is 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore 81324 is also divisible by 9. If the sum is not divisible by 9 then the given number will not be divisible by 9. Next property is divisibility by 10. It's very simple property. If the unit digit of the given number is 0 then the number is divisible by 10, otherwise number is not divisible by 10. Here last digit of 250 is 0, therefore it is divisible by 10. Last digit is 5 in 255, so it is not divisible by 10. 389, last digit is 9, therefore it is not divisible by 10. And 2510, last digit is 0. If last digit is equals to 0 then number is divisible by 10. So 2510 is divisible by 10. The last property is divisibility by 11, and it is the most important property for you because you have to do lots of work in this property. I have written formula to check the divisibility of any number by 11. You have to find the difference of sum of the odd number digits and sum of the even number digits. Now what are the odd number digits and what are the even number digits? You have to understand it first. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11, otherwise number is not divisible by 11. I am repeating, अगर sum of the odd digits और sum of the even digits इनका डिफरेंस या तो 0 आए या वो डिविजिबल हो 11 से, तो हम कहेंगे कि वो नंबर 11 से डिविजिबल है. अगर 0 या डिविजिबल बाय 11 ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई नहीं होती तो नंबर 11 से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. एंड नाउ वी हैव टेकन वन एग्जांपल 73260. I have written the number here 73260. This is your ones digit, means first place of this number. Because its place value is 1, it is written at first place, and 1 is an odd number. So 0 is the digit which is written at odd place. Next is 6. It is written at second place, tens place. Tens place is second place, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 6 is written at second place, and second is an even number. So 6 is the digit which is written at even number place, at even place. Next digit is 2. 1, 2, 3. 2 is written at third place, and 3 is an odd number. So 2 is an odd place digit. 3 is written at fourth number, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth place, and 4 is an even number, therefore 3 is an even number digit. And 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 is written at fifth place, and 5 is an odd number. Now we have declared which digit is written at even place and which digit is written at odd place. Now we will find the sum of odd place digits and sum of even place digits. So sum of even place digits is 9 and sum of the odd place digits is equals to 9. Now we have to find the difference. Difference means we will subtract the smaller value from larger value. And here both the values are equal. So we will subtract 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. And according to divisibility property of 11, if the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. Because the difference here is 0, so the given number 73260 is also divisible by 11. This is the property of divisibility 11. So in this video you have studied all the divisibility properties in a very short manner and in a very simple manner. That will help you all, and I suggest you to copy the board work as it is in your notebook so that you can revise it in your examination time. Thank you. That's all for today in this video. Jai Hind.